Imagine standing under a sky where diamonds rain from above, not in a fairy tale, but in the vast expanse of our solar system. Deep within the atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn, something extraordinary is happening. Lightning strikes, transforming methane into pure carbon. This carbon falls, crushed by immense pressure, until it crystallizes into diamonds, real, solid diamonds falling like rain. But what happens next? Do these cosmic jewels settle into hidden oceans, or are they lost forever in the crushing depths? Science has uncovered a stunning truth, and today, we dive into the incredible mystery of diamonds in the sky. Space is full of mysteries, but few are as mind-blowing as the idea of raining diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn. These gas giants are not just swirling clouds of storms and chaos, they hold secrets buried deep within their dense atmospheres. Scientists believe that the immense pressure and heat inside these planets create the perfect conditions for diamonds to form and fall like raindrops. But how does this happen? And what if we could somehow harvest these cosmic gems? Would they change the diamond industry forever, or would they remain an unreachable treasure, lost in the depths of these giant planets? This isn't science fiction, it's a real phenomenon, backed by research and physics. Today, we'll explore the incredible journey of space diamonds, from their fiery birth to their mysterious fate. Are these jewels floating in space right now, or do they meet a far more dramatic end? Let's find out. The birth of space diamonds. Deep within the stormy atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn, a remarkable transformation begins, one that turns simple gas into something as precious as diamonds. It all starts with methane, a common gas found in abundance within these gas giants. But methane on its own isn't special. The real magic begins when violent storms rage across the planets, and lightning bolts 1,000 times more powerful than those on Earth strike the thick clouds. This extreme energy breaks down the methane molecules, separating carbon from hydrogen. The freed carbon atoms start clumping together, forming tiny soot-like particles, the same black carbon found in smoke. But unlike on Earth, these carbon particles don't just vanish into thin air. Gravity pulls them downward, dragging them into the deeper layers of the planet's atmosphere. As these carbon particles descend, something extraordinary happens. The pressure in Jupiter and Saturn's lower atmospheres is so intense, millions of times greater than Earth's surface pressure, that it compresses the carbon. The tiny carbon specks are squeezed tighter and tighter until they transform into graphite, the same material found in pencil lead. But the journey doesn't stop there. Deeper still, the pressure becomes so overwhelming that graphite undergoes another transformation. It crystallizes into diamonds. Real, solid diamonds, forming naturally in the crushing depths of these colossal planets. Now, imagine billions of these diamonds falling through the clouds like cosmic raindrops. But what happens next? Do they float freely in space, creating fields of glittering gems? Or do they meet an even more dramatic fate? The journey of these space diamonds is far from over. Let's follow them deeper into the unknown. The journey through gas giants. As these newly formed diamonds fall deeper into the atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn, they embark on a perilous journey, one that most will not survive. At first, the diamonds remain solid, tumbling through the dense layers of swirling gas. Imagine a never-ending storm, where these cosmic gems are tossed around like raindrops caught in a hurricane. But unlike on Earth, where raindrops eventually hit the ground, these diamonds have no solid surface to land on. Instead, they continue falling deeper and deeper into the crushing, high-pressure depths of the planet. The deeper they go, the more intense the conditions become. Temperatures rise to thousands of degrees, and pressure becomes unimaginable. Eventually, these diamonds reach a zone where the heat is so extreme that they begin to melt. Yes, you heard that right, a literal ocean of liquid diamonds may exist in the depths of these gas giants. The solid diamonds that survive the fall are melted into shimmering diamond droplets, floating in a sea of liquefied carbon. And even lower, under even greater pressure, these droplets may sink and form a vast, dense core of pure diamond hidden deep within the heart of the planet. But here's the real question: could we ever reach these cosmic treasures? Or are they forever lost in the abyss of these alien worlds? Let's explore what it would take to harvest these diamonds and whether it's even possible. What if we could harvest these diamonds? Imagine the wealth hidden within the depths of Jupiter and Saturn, trillions of carats worth of diamonds, floating or buried in their cores. If humans could somehow reach and mine these space diamonds, it could revolutionize the diamond industry forever. But here's the catch: these planets are among the most hostile environments in our solar system. Unlike Earth, they have no solid ground, only thick layers of swirling gas, intense storms, and pressures so extreme that they could crush even the most advanced spacecraft like a soda can. To even attempt diamond mining on these gas giants, we'd need technology far beyond anything we have today. A spacecraft would have to survive the planet's crushing atmosphere long enough to collect these diamonds before they melt into liquid form. It would also have to resist scorching temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun in the planet's lower layers. And even if we somehow manage to retrieve these gems, there's another major problem: supply and demand. If we could bring back trillions of diamonds, they would no longer be rare or valuable. The diamond market would crash, and something once considered precious would become as common as ordinary rocks. So, are these diamonds a hidden treasure, waiting to be discovered, or an unreachable fantasy, forever lost in the depths of Jupiter and Saturn? One thing is certain: these sparkling space mysteries change the way we see the universe. But why does this discovery matter so much? Let's find out. Why this discovery matters. The discovery of space diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn is not just a tale of glittering gems, it holds deeper significance for our understanding of the universe. These planets, once seen as distant, inhospitable giants, are now revealing secrets that could unlock the mysteries of planetary formation and the forces at work in other parts of the cosmos. If diamonds can form naturally in these extreme conditions, it suggests that other exoplanet planets orbiting stars outside our solar system may also harbor similar processes. In fact, scientists believe that there could be entire worlds out there where diamonds rain down in a steady stream, changing the planet's geology and atmosphere in ways we can only begin to understand. This discovery could also redefine our understanding of chemistry and materials science. If diamonds can form under such intense pressure and heat, it may open the door to new ways of creating synthetic diamonds, even on Earth. The implications for industry, technology, and even space exploration are profound. Ultimately, these cosmic diamonds give us a glimpse into the violent, beautiful processes that shape planets. They challenge us to think about the universe not just as a collection of distant stars, but as a vast, ever-evolving laboratory of creation. As we wrap up this journey through the stormy atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn, one thing is clear: the universe is far more mysterious than we can imagine. The idea of diamonds raining down from the sky on distant planets is not just a fascinating thought, it's a reality that challenges our understanding of how planets are formed and how the most precious substances in the universe are created. These space diamonds, formed under unimaginable pressure and heat, remind us that the cosmos is full of hidden treasures waiting to be uncovered. But even if we never reach them, the mystery itself is enough to ignite our curiosity. What other secrets does the universe hold? What other worlds may be just as strange, just as beautiful, and just as unimaginable as the gas giants? The journey to discover them has only just begun. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, diamonds could be raining down in places you'll never reach. And that thought alone makes the universe feel a little bit more magical. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like this video, it really helps us out. Share it with friends who'd love to learn something new, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content like this. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.